Well, Jeffrey, we're going to talk about health care again, and it's an issue now where we talked about where they find the tax revenue to come up with $1.5 trillion, and I think that's underestimated, to pay for all this. And at the end of last weekend, the Democrats were talking about taxing health premiums that people get from their employer, 135 to 160 million people, and this really grates against organized labor, because over the years or decades, increasingly, they have built up much of these contracts they've gotten with benefits from health care. And that's going to hit a lot of them, as well as a lot of ordinary middle-income people, taxing those premiums, which are now tax-free.
Right.
And so, what do you think about that? $600 billion is going to be cut out of Medicare and Medicaid, and then the rest maybe from
Honestly, we don't have any idea what is going to happen on Capitol Hill first. Second, President Obama and his people say they don't like the idea of taxing employer-provided health care benefits.
They made that clear over the weekend, too.
Yeah, and so President Obama has made the incredible suggestion that no new tax revenue is going to be needed to pay for health reform. And even Democrats on Capitol Hill are saying that's not so. We have a collision of different ideas that are happening starting this week, with some ideas having this government-run program called the public option, others including taxing employer-provided health care benefits and others not. I think it's really a jump ball at the moment.
Yeah. Max Baucus, though, the chairman of the Senate Finance Committee, it looks like they're going to have that tax in there. But you're right, there's a lot of disagreement mounting. There seems to be a war now within the Democratic Party.
That's right.
Because they're going to pass this by themselves. The polls say this could really kill the Democrats in 2010.
Ridiculous.
You know, when you...
That's really, you have to stop that.
Taxing your health care benefits? You've got to admit that is kind of...
If it happens...
dangerous.
I think we'll wait and see.
All right.